We appreciate you. We honor you, oh God, in this atmosphere, oh God. Spirit of the living will be the target on the other side of the arrow. Am I created by the dirt that's set by the tree? I haven't been hardened and processed like Malibu Barbie. For me, has so much more in store. I got caught up with one who had more than a friendly intention, ready to give my
back to that place when it was just you and me, you and me.
A long time, Sister Monique, I thought something was wrong with me. But one day when I opened up the book and I read I was created in His image and in His likeness. And when I realized that I was fearfully and wonderfully made, don't nobody make a suit look good like I do. Hallelujah. You are a